Hello everyone, I am Vasanthi, computer science teacher from Vidyalakshmi CBSE schools. In this video, we are going to learn about HTML. So before going to start this video, what is HTML? Today, day-to-day life, we people, most of us, always accessing with websites. Why we are using websites? To order food, to order clothes, to order medicine, so many things. Many times we are using only websites. What is the websites? Website is consist of pages, collection of web pages. How to create the web pages? Let's see how to create the web pages. So today our topic is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language used to create a structured web pages. It is the basic building block of the web, defining how the content is displayed in the web. So next we are going to see the requirements of HTML. If you want to write a HTML codes, we need the two requirements. The first one is the text editor like Notepad or Notepad++, and also we need to execute the HTML code, we need the web browser like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. So these are the requirements to need to write the HTML code. So now we are going to see the HTML elements. It consists of series of elements. It tells the browser how to display the content. This elements tells the browser how to display the content. It is defined by a start tag and some content and an end tag. So this elements always consist of a short start tag and some content and that end tag. So let's see now HTML basic tags. Now see one by one. So first tag is this HTML that should be right in between inside the angle brackets. See, look at this. Always you have to write this HTML element with this symbol. What the symbol? Less than symbol and the greater than symbol. Inside we should write. Every tag, every HTML element have start tag and the end tag. So this is the root element of an HTML page. This tag is a root element of an HTML page. So next one is head. So this also we have to start tag and end tag. So what is displayed in the head tag means information about the HTML page. This head tag contains the information about the HTML page. The next tag is title. This title tag also have a start tag and the end tag. So it contains the title for the home page. It is title for this HTML page. The next tag is the body tag that also have a start tag and then end tag. The start tag start with this angle bracket less than symbol and the greater than symbol. The end tag starts with angle bracket / and that is tag name. That should be right like this. So it is visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, etc. The next one is header 1 tag. It is nothing but a size of the font. Header 1 is so many, is there up to header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, header 6. This is the largest font size. So this also have a start tag and this end tag. Next one is the paragraph tag, start tag and the end tag. So in this tag, in between this tag, the paragraph will be displayed in the web page. So these are the basic tags in the HTML code. So next we see the simple structure of using these tags. We are seeing this structure of this HTML program. Using the basic tags, we are writing one simple program. Now let's see how to execute this HTML code. So look at this, the first statement, this angle bracket, exclamatory box, top document type HTML. This is nothing but a declaration statement. So when this browser see this statement, it's never execute this statement. So in C and C++, we are using the declaration statement with /, like that. In the same way in the HTML code, this is the statement, is a declaration statement. It tells the web browser it is a HTML file. It's never executed by the web browser. So what is the first one? That is a root element, that is an HTML. All the HTML program start with this HTML tag. Then inside the HTML tag, the head tag will be there. Inside the head tag, the title will be there. This title is welcome to HTML. The starting tag that I have to close here, the title tag. Then the head will be close here. The next one is the body tag. So you are displaying the body, the real content displayed in the web page is that we are writing in this body tag. So we have to write my first HTML program. That header tag also you have to start tag and end tag. Next, that paragraph that should be displayed in the main content of this web page. It helps to create structure web pages. That start tag have to be closed here. Then we have to close the body tag and its root element HTML. So look at this program. This main content should be displayed in this body tag. That all this contents start with the root element HTML tag and end with the HTML tag. Now look at that output of this simple program. So look at this output. So we write the title that should be displayed in the title of this web page. Look at this here, the welcome to HTML is displaying in the title, that is title bar. So this is the title will be displayed in the title bar of this web page. That main content what we return in the body that should be displayed here. So this is the output of this simplest that HTML code program. So I hope all you understand about the basic structure of this HTML. So never stop learning, keep on learning. Catch you on the next video. Thank you.